Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of the chapter Weather and Climate. In this video, we will learn about the climate and factors that determine the climate of a place. The climate is describing the long term and average weather condition for a specific region. Climate of a place depends on an average monthly and yearly temperature. If temperature is low, then it will cause cold climate and high temperature will cause hot climate. Climate of a place also depends on average amount of rainfall or snow. Climate of different places on the earth is different. There are different factors that determine climate of a place. The sun rays fall slanting as we go away from the equator. So, farther a place is from the equator, the lesser heat it receives from the sun. The equator passes through the center of Earth, so the sun rays fall directly on this part of the Earth. These direct sun rays make this region hottest region in the world. Distance from the sea or water bodies is also a factor that determine the climate of a place. During the night, the land cools down faster and water is still warm. So, cool air from the land moves towards water, replace the rising warm air. During the day, the land gets heated faster and the air above it rises. So, the cool air from above the sea blows towards the land and cools the temperature on the land. The slow moving air from land to sea during the night is called land breeze, and during the day, the slow moving air from sea to land is called sea breeze. The places near the sea or water bodies have a moderate type of climate. They have moderate summers and pleasant winters. The height of a place from the sea level also determine the climate of a place. The height of place above the sea level is known as its altitude. The higher place is above the sea level, the cooler is its climate. The places on the height from the sea level get slanting sun rays and have cold climate. As we move above the sea level, the temperature begins to decrease. This is the reason why peaks of mountains remains covered with the snow. The winds also affect the climate of a place. Winds that come from over the water bodies bring moisture and cause the rain to land. The winds coming from hot areas increases the temperature, while winds coming from the cold areas decreases the temperature. During summer, hot winds from Rajasthan called Loo makes the western part of the northern plains very hot. The amount of water vapors or moisture present in the air is called humidity. The winds blowing from above the sea carry a lot of moisture with them. Humid air causes rainfall in the area and dry air makes the climate drier. This is the reason the coastal areas are very humid and receive rainfall as compared to inland areas. I hope the topics that we have covered in this video are clear to you now. The remaining part of the chapter we will be covering in our next video. Till then, take care and be safe.